college. Freshman year almost over, but people lacking knowledge. Certain shit feels artificial if I'm being honest. Some people wanna bring me down and all you want is problems. Still working on myself until my all is polished. Still jumping on the tracks and leaving beats demolished. So bitch, I'm ballin' hard, no Seattle Supersonics. But I remember that kid who used to record in closets. I feel nostalgic, I remember 2012, only 8 years old. But I remember all the hell that my old man went through. I caught the shit like breadfruit. Not to get specific, but to watch it was horrific. Dwells on my mind quite like that other time I got suspended from school. I was breaking all the rules, and now that I'm on scholarship, my life is hit a high. I think about my old life and I kiss that shit goodbye. Oh, did I mention I've been meditating more? I'm doing counseling and I'm unpacking all the lore. I used to fight a lot, mentally and physically. This is what I do when I need to feel a remedy. No more cough syrup, my pain all in my work now. I flip through my beats when I get a feeling of hurt now. Growing up, my rule was to never be a bitch, and now I start to think about those rules that don't make sense. I wanna get back to that kid who fell in love with the 90s New York scene. Remember who I was, battery low, but I don't know which type of plug. Don't know if I need a pack or a hug. Despite my flaws, I am the most secure around me. Tell my enemies insecurities surround me, claiming that I'm nothing, all they do is talk about me. I conquered you all and not a second did I doubt me. So egotistical, I play it off as whimsical. Mainstream rappers doing shit that's too predictable. I'm getting money but I'm looking for a deal, and all your rappers' music, it just does not appeal. Nowadays I take my time, invest it all in family.